Hello first grade families. In this video we're going to show you how we teach the children about adding three one-digit numbers. We're now moving past the standard equations where there's just two numbers, and now we're moving to adding a third number. So thinking about all the strategies that we've learned thus far for first grade, we're going to use some tools and some different strategies to help children understand how to add three one-digit numbers. So our first example is 7 plus 2 plus 3. So I'm going to show you two different strategies you can use to teach your children or help to reinforce this concept. So 7 plus 2 plus 3. Well, I'm thinking about my number partners, and I'm thinking about what two numbers I can start with to add in this equation. It really doesn't matter. We can start with 7 plus 2, or we can start with 2 plus 3. I know right away that 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So I might start there, and then 7 plus 5, I can grab 7 and count on 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so my answer would be 12. As a first grader, I might also be inclined to draw pictures of this. So if I start with 7, I'll make my 7 circles, and then I'll make 2 more, and then I'll make 3 more, and then I would add these all up and continue with 12. Another way to do this would be to use cubes or toys or little chips and my double 10 frames. So I'm going to put 7 here, and then 2 more, and then 3 more, and I have 10, 11, and 12. So I still end up with the same answer. And in first grade, we encourage the use of strategies and drawings as often as possible. Another example is 9 plus 5 plus 1. In this example, I'm looking to see something that is familiar to me. I see 9 plus 1 gives me 10, so I can start there. And then 10 plus 5, when I make my 10, 10 plus 5 gives me a teen number, which would give me 15. So that's one way to go about it. Another way to go about it is to draw it out. So I would start with 9, add my 5, and then 1 more, and I would add all this up and get 15. Another way to do this would be the double 10 frames. So I have 9. I'm going to add my 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 more, and I have 10 and 5 more, which also gives me 15. So this is something you can do at home with crayons, paper, pencil paper, whiteboards, and any kind of small toy or cubes or chips. You can ask your child's teacher for double 10 frames, or you can draw it out on paper. And this is another opportunity for children to practice adding three one-digit numbers, thinking flexibly about addition. Have fun with math.